Hey Noah! Hey Noah, Mom and Dad are out for the weekend. We got the house to ourselves, man. Noah? Did you hear me? Noah? Noah? Did you hear what I said? Noah? Hello? Noah? Dude! Stop it! I heard you the first time, now leave me alone! Sorry. I don't know why they could have just left us like that. They must have left earlier this morning. Man, I'm so sick of this!
What's your problem, man?
You wanna know why? I'm tired of you! I'm tired of all of you! Always getting on my case! I'm tired of it!
Well, excuse me for not being a perfect human being! Noah! Noah! Where are you going? Noah!
Noah! Noah! Noah, open up! Open up! Noah, open up right now!
Noah! Noah, where are you going?
Hey, where do you think you're going?
I'm going somewhere!
Where?
Anywhere but here!
You know, boy, if I could swear right now, I would.
Great! Now my cereal's all soggy.
Just a bird. Jerry, was that you? Looks like I'm going solo today.
Who could that be? What's this doing on?
Get off me! Get off me! Get off me right now! I got a money weapon! I got a money weapon! I got a money weapon! Stop it, dude! Stop! Dude, stop it! Stop! It's me! It's me!
Seriously, Noah? What? Why did you dress up in that freaky getup and try to kill me? I saw you left the back door open. Do you have any idea about the psychopaths that are out there? And also, it was never gonna hurt you. If I ever got to the point where I was gonna do some harm to you, I would have revealed myself. You were putting up a good fight. I was wondering when you're gonna let up. Also, I needed a laugh. A laugh? So you were pretty much just pranking me this whole time, not trying to kill me? Yeah, pretty much. I got you pretty good, didn't I? Ah! Not funny, dude. And one more thing. Why were you such a jerk this morning? I was just in a bad mood this morning, man. Listen, I'm really sorry for yelling and putting you down this morning, okay? I really am. Also, I'm really sorry about the prank. It was really dumb of me. And I'm not just saying that because you beat the crap out of me. I'm really sorry. Really. And I'm sorry for being you senseless. Oh, I deserved it. Oh. Ooh. Say, to make it up to you, why don't I take you out for lunch? All that running around made me hungry. I haven't had breakfast. The least I could do. Ooh, Chinese? Just what I was thinking. Yeah, man. Well, I gotta go to the toilet, and then I'm gonna go change. Okay, cool. Oh, before I forget. Before we leave, you really gotta take your medication. You know how bad your allergies get. I'll take it after. You better. Hey, dude. I'm gonna go out and get some fresh air. Would you mind waiting for me in the car? JJ! Very funny, Wayne. Hey, man. Ah! Gotcha, dude. Oh! Oh! Pretty much, yeah. I got you pretty good, didn't I? Don't know what that was about. You're a corner, he's on you. Out the corner of his corner, you need to saw you run. All you want is to rest, cause you can't run anymore, you're done. All he wants is to... And... that's a wrap. So glad I don't have to wear that wig again.